Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome back to day number 6 of Junk Journal July. Today's prompt is wildlife. If you haven't seen my other videos for this year's Junk Journal July challenge, I will leave a link to the playlist in the description down below. So if you want to check out my process so far, you can do that after hopefully watching this one till the end. I'm really having fun with this challenge and just try to create something daily that fits the prompt without putting too much pressure on myself. For today's prompt of wildlife, I decided to interpret it a bit more loosely because I found this party image in a magazine I had lying around for some collaging, and I thought it would be fun to interpret it as a party wildlife style kind of way instead of my first thought when I read the prompt just before starting the challenge in general was originally to do something about the wildlife and nature and some animals, but when I did the prompt today, there was just something about this picture that sparked my interest, and so I thought, let's just make it a party theme. It's a wildlife either way, so it was quite fitting. The German words here that I glue down are telling you, let's just live, lass mal leben, and I thought it would be fitting to just let loose, like, I don't know if I'm now outing myself as a millennial if I say, yeah, kind of in the YOLO era of life. Here I'm deciding if I should cut the picture to size, and then I decided no. All my pages in my junk journal have different sizes, so why not have the glued in picture stick out at the corners of the pages? It's a junk journal, it's fine. I thought it would be fun too. And the colors of the photograph made me think of this holographic foil I used on day 1 of Junk Journal July, and I thought it would be fitting to bring the foil back and just add some text for "Let's go" onto the page as well, to make it even more of a postery kind of feel. I really enjoy how this one turned out, and I'm really enjoying making these videos. I hope you enjoy your Junk Journal July journey as well so far, and I hope you enjoy keeping me company while I create those daily little things. It's quite a lot of fun, and I really need to find a way to incorporate more loosely creative freedom into my daily life when I'm not working on a challenge like this, to just give myself like 15 to 20 minutes each day to create something, to just relax my mind, and even if it's just doodles on a page or something, just have to figure out a system for that. Until then, let's just stick with Junk Journal July for now, and let's see how I'm thinking about the daily creative habit when July comes to a close, when there are quite a few more days to go. But I hope I will keep up with this challenge, and I hope my fun with the daily creative exercise will stay as well. until then, I hope you enjoyed this video and watched me create. Happy junk journaling for everyone who's taking part, and a very nice and beautiful day for everyone else. See you tomorrow. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.